Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable stay on lock screen until swipe with Face ID facial recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then in here, you want to tap on face recognition. Next, put in the current PIN on your device. And then tap on stay on lock screen until swipe. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now, if this is turned on, when you unlock your device with Face ID, you can see it will stay on the lock screen until you swipe. Now, if we switch it off, then if I turn off, stay on lock screen until swipe. Now, if I unlock my screen using Face ID, then it will automatically go to the last screen that I'm on. And as you can see, the phone will unlock using Face ID and take me directly back to my previous screen that I'm currently on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.